Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning meet of IndiaNivesh. This is Mehul Kothari from the research desk. Today is 28th Feb 2020. Well, thus far, this has been a disastrous week for domestic markets, wherein the benchmarks have been falling for past four trading sessions. Initially, the index Nifty spot started the week on a pessimistic note, following the negative global cues. As the week progressed, Nifty tumbled almost 530 points from its previous close to end near 11,500 mark. The Nifty this week has been trading with a change of minus 3.7%, whereas Nifty Bank Index has performed relatively better as it has lost only 2.4% till now. The overall market yesterday remained extremely weak throughout the session. On the sectoral front, majority of the group indices ended in loss due to broad-based selling. From the pack of losers, Nifty Realty and Nifty Media stocks were the worst performers, while the broader market indices like Nifty Midcap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 ended with a loss of around 0.8% to 1.3% respectively. Now, technically, yesterday the way Nifty ended the session, we were hoping that a temporary bottom is done and there could be possibility of some bounce in the market. But as SGX Nifty indicates, there is no respite. In fact, 11,400 could be tested in today's session. Technically, now the next support is at 11,400 followed by 11,360. So we'll have to wait and watch. But now technicals as of now has not been working unless there is any sentimental shift. There won't be any kind of bounce in the market or a sustainable bounce in the market. So we'll advise to avoid bottom fishing in Nifty. With regards to Bank Nifty, since it has closed above 30,000, below 30,000 now, it could retest 29,500 to 29,300 levels in today's session. So even in Bank Nifty, there is no clear sign. One should wait for a clear signal, then only go or attempt for a pullback. Nothing specific on the stocks front also today. So with this, we end the technical view. Now I'll hand it over to Mr. Dharmesh Kant. Thank you very much, everyone.
Yeah, good morning all. The slew of sharp selling continues in the US market. Every day it is more of 2 to 3% percentage point kind of a cut. And the fear that this may turn into a pandemic is coronavirus is still the market is gauging with. There is no confirmation or any authority from the medical fraternity saying so. But the problem which has emerged is like in US, isolated cases of where there was no trace of origin being known. So what does that mean? That there are different continents in which this virus can itself generate rather than being transferred or transmitted from anybody else. So that is the worry which has had this kind of a selling happening. Um we can't make a any judgment as to where the selling will stop or how the things will recover. We have to just take it and see how the things are happening. As of now, nothing can be said on a concrete basis. However, the rough estimates and the various brokerage reports which are out there, they suggest that at least 2 quarters of recessionary environment will be there in the economy. That means there won't be any growth, and whatever you are standing on, there would be a negative growth from the base. So that is what recession means, and this is why such a big correction has happened. So till the time more clarity emerges, no judgment can be made on the entire episode. The best way is to sit on the sidelines and wait for some semblance of sanity or stability coming back. That is all from our end. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.